Now the technician will install the ring sets on the pistons. He begins by installing the expanders for the oil scraper piston rings. Please note that there are two types of expanders. Always consult the service manual to determine the correct ones for your application. To install the oil control rings or oil scrapers by hand, the scraping edges must face toward the bottom of the piston for proper oil control. First, install the expander carefully in the upper oil ring groove. Next, install the top ring with the gap 180 degrees from the gap in the expander. Then install the bottom ring with the gap 45 degrees from the gap of the upper ring. Install the second oil control ring in the lower oil ring groove in the same manner.
.180 degree, okay? 180 degree. Look. Siempre check. No tallo, ok. Oh, sorry. Oh, now.
Now the technician will install the compression piston rings.
Use tu oil control, fire ring, de top. Siempre look y point, position. One hold, position, okay? Look.
To install the compression rings on the piston, you must use the J8128 tool to avoid overstressing the rings.
Okay. Fire ring, top. That's different. Okay.
Thank you for choosing Diesel Pro.